First up is Meta, ticker Meta. Meta's latest available price is approximately $615.64. The stock traded as high as $625.30 during the session after holding above $600, giving it one of the strongest price structures in this group. Mechanically, $600 is now the controlling support line. Meta has already crossed that psychological level, so the next question is whether it can remain above it during a natural reaction. The immediate pivotal high is around $625. If Meta breaks through $625 and holds the move, it confirms another upward leg. If it retreats first, the reaction remains healthy as long as price stops above approximately $600. A fall back beneath $600 would not automatically create a major downward trend, but it would tell us that the breakout has failed to establish itself. The play: watch for Meta to hold above $600 and break through $625. A confirmed move above $625 opens the door to the next psychological zone around $650. A decisive loss of $600 would move Meta back into a neutral ledger column. Next is Amazon, ticker AMZN. Amazon's latest available price is approximately $246.21. The stock traded as high as $248.83, placing it just below the major $250 psychological level. This is a clean pivotal point setup because the important level is close and obvious. Amazon does not need to travel far to test $250, but simply touching that level is not enough. Buyers must push through it and prevent price from immediately falling back into the previous range. The first natural reaction area is approximately $242 to $245. If Amazon remains above that zone and then crosses $250, the mechanical structure becomes much stronger. The play: wait for a confirmed break above $250. A breakout followed by support around $245 would keep the upward trend active. A fall beneath approximately $240 would suggest that Amazon is not ready to leave its current range. Now let's look at NVIDIA, ticker NVDA. NVIDIA's latest available price is approximately $196.61. The stock reached an intraday high of $198.37 after recovering from a session low near $190.62. That puts NVIDIA directly beneath the most important line on its chart, $200. Price has already shown that buyers are willing to step in near $190. The next mechanical test is whether that recovery can push through $198.37 and then clear $200. A move above $200 would be constructive, but the breakout becomes more reliable only if the first reaction holds above approximately $195. If NVIDIA reaches $200 and repeatedly falls back, the stock remains trapped beneath resistance rather than entering a confirmed upward trend. The play: wait for the break above $200. Stronger confirmation would come through approximately $205. A reaction can remain healthy above $190 to $195, but a decisive loss of $190 would weaken the entire setup. Next is Microsoft, ticker MSFT. Microsoft's latest available price is approximately $399.09. It traded as high as $395.57 during the session, placing it within striking distance of the major $400 level. The structure is straightforward. Microsoft is approaching an obvious pivotal point, but it has not crossed it yet. The immediate natural reaction zone is around $385 to $388. If Microsoft remains above that area and turns upward again, the pressure against $400 remains active. The larger signal does not arrive until price breaks through $400. A brief trade above $400 followed by an immediate drop would be a false break. The stock must cross the line and remain above it when the first reaction appears. The play: wait for Microsoft to break and hold above $400. A move above $400 followed by support around $395 would confirm the stronger setup. A drop beneath approximately $395 would delay the breakout and place the stock back into consolidation.